Hey, how's going guys? This is not Levitation for the YouTube channel. So today in this video I will be actually showing you the best settings for your Windows 10 which will definitely change your performance from lagging and shutter to butter. You know what I mean, butter, like very smooth. So watch this video till the end and share this video to all low-end PC gamers who suffers a lot. What if this video might help them too? So, let's start the video before the intro. So that we need to delete the temporary files on your computer which can be deleted, so don't worry. These files will store on your storage and make lag on your PC, which makes us irritated. So to delete those files you need to do these steps. Let me show you how. These temp files are called as another recycle bin of your computer, which it has all the dump files of your computer, which can be deleted without any problems. And if you delete these temp files it won't affect your PC or else it won't harm your PC. I experienced these settings in my low-end laptop which is now completely working fast than before. If you don't know how to delete the temp files on your PC, then watch the video how to delete it. Note, this can be deleted once a month or twice a week. Step 1, under desktop press Winky plus R on your PC. The Run dialog box appears, type temp in the text box and click OK. Step 2, delete all the files which are shown in a temp folder, and after a click on the continue button to delete it. Step 3, under desktop press Winky plus R on your PC. The Run dialog box appears, type %temp% in that text box and click OK. Step 4, delete all the files which are shown in a %temp% folder, and after a click on continue button to delete it, or at last process of delete, it will show that program is running background. In that, you can click skip button. Now close the window. Step 5, that's all, now you can close the window. Okay, now, let's move on to second method. In the second method they'll show you how to enable Windows highest performance mode on your computer. Okay, let's see. Step 1, go to start and type power and sleep settings, press that. Step 2, you will see a try additional power settings, click on that. Step 3, click on show additional plans and select high performance mode. Step 4, done. Now after doing these two settings you can restart your PC. After restarting you will see the difference before performance and after performance of your computer. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just share video to all low-end PC gamers who suffers a lot. What if this video might help them too? So that will be appreciated.